I mean, you were a leasing agent, so I feel like you probably knew better. But a lot of the folks that do like the roommate rental style of house hacking and they're just out of college, when they let their friends live with them, it's like, oh yeah, just pay me, $500 a month that's due on the first. And like, there's no leases. So did you do leases or did you not because they're your friends? I mean, how are you working all that out? Like, you got them all because they're friends and referrals. Are you doing leases?
Yeah,
How are they
so
paying you? All of that good stuff. How are you doing the
with
property
this,
management side of it?
of course, it's definitely important to doing leases because you got to treat it as a business. The bad guy is the lease. You're not the bad guy. So it's like, hey, dude, you're my friend, but look at this lease. Look what it says, you know? So setting the right expectations right off the bat is probably the most important thing because if you let something slide, then they're like, okay, subconsciously, he's going to let other things slide.